Hello students, welcome to our video class. This is class 2 EVS and I am your Pushpa ma'am. Today we are going to do assessment sheet 1. In this assessment we are going to do the exercise part of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the questions are mixed from all these chapters. So first I will read the questions, you listen it carefully. First question, tick the correct answer. I am sure you all know about this exercise. You know how to solve it because before also we have done the same pattern. So first I will read all the questions. We can bend our legs at the elbow, knee. We can bend our legs at the dash, elbow, knee. Which is the right answer? Next one. A dash family has children and either of the parents. A dash family has children and either of the parents. Is it special family or nuclear family? We will write the answer afterwards. Now let me complete the questions. A dash eats very soft food. A dash eats very soft food. Two answers are given here. Baby, young boy. Next one. Drinking dirty water can cause dash. Drinking dirty water can cause Kaffia typhoid. Next question. We should wear clean clothes or dirty clothes? We should wear clean or dirty clothes. These are the questions. Now let us see what is the right answer of these questions. First one. We can bend our legs at the knee. Right answer is knee. A dash family has children and either of the parents. Special or nuclear? Yes, the answer is a special family has children and either of the parents. A special family has children and either of the parents. And nuclear family has father, mother and one or two children. Isn't it? Then the next question. A dash eats very soft food. A baby, young boy. The answer is a baby eats very soft food. The young boy can eat whatever he wants. Okay. Next one. Drinking dirty water can cause typhoid. Drinking dirty water can cause typhoid. The right answer is typhoid. The last question of this group is, we should wear clean clothes or dirty clothes? Of course, the right answer is clean. We should wear clean clothes. So these are the answers. Now we can move to B part. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks with correct answer. We should dash our nails regularly. We should dash our nails regularly. Next question is, a family tree starts from the dash. A family tree starts from the dash. Third question, people who only eat plants and their parts are called dash. People who only eat plants and their parts are called dash. Dash are man-made sources of water. Dash are man-made sources of water. The last question of this group is, 3/4 of the earth is covered with a dash. 3/4 of the earth is covered with dash. Now we can see what are the right answers. We should dash our nails regularly. What will be the answer? Yes, the right answer is trim. That is the right word. We should trim our nails regularly. So the right word is trim. Next one, a family tree starts from the dash. A family tree starts from the grandparents. Grandparents are the pillars of the family that we have already learned. Isn't it? A family tree starts from the grandparents. Next one, people who only eat plants and their parts are called dash. People who only eat plants and their parts are called vegetarian. Dash are man-made sources of water. Answer is dams. Dams are man-made sources of water. You can write here tube well, well. All the answers are correct. So you can write dams, otherwise well, tube well. Any of these answers you can write in this question. Next one, 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So we will move to the next part. Answer the following questions. What is groundwater? What is groundwater? The second question, who are non-vegetarians? Who are non-vegetarians? Third question is, who are differently abled people? Who are differently abled people? Which four tastes does your tongue help you to taste? Which four tastes does your tongue help you to taste? The last question is, how can you have fun with your family? How can you have fun with your family? And you have to answer for these questions. What is groundwater? Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. How can we take groundwater? We can dig out groundwater from wells and tube wells. Next one, who are non-vegetarians? A person who eats meat, fish and eggs are called non-vegetarians. A person who eats meat, fish and eggs are called non-vegetarians. Who are differently abled people? The people who are physically challenged, they are called differently abled people. The people who are physically challenged, they are called differently abled people. Next one. Which four tastes does your tongue help you to taste? Which four tastes does your tongue help you to taste? Sweet, sour, salty and bitter. These are the four tastes which your tongue help you to taste. Next one. How can you have fun with your family? We can have fun with our family by watching a movie together, going for a picnic and playing games together. We can have fun with our family by watching a movie together, going for a picnic and playing games together. So these all exercises you have to read again and again. You have to by heart the answers and their spellings. So let's finish the class. I will come soon with a new video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.